The cost of a beach trip doesn't change regardless of how many people go. If 9 people go, then each person would pay $450. How does the price change if 11 people go? This beach problem is an example of an inverse variation problem. So to solve it, we're going to use an inverse variation function. And it has the form, the function of x equals k over x, where k is the constant of variation and cannot equal 0. So now let's look at what we know. We know that if 9 people attend the trip, that the trip costs $450 each. And we want to know what happens if 11 people go. Well, the first thing we have to do is we have to figure out a constant of variation. A constant for this part of the problem. So the function of x we can change to be y. Y equals the constant divided by x. Y is the amount of money, $450. The constant is what we're trying to figure out, and we're going to divide that by 9. Well, to solve for k, we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by 9. These cancel, and our total amount of money is $4,050 equals k. This is the constant. It's the constant price. No matter how many people go, the cost for the trip is $4,050. Now we know the constant. Now we want to figure out what the cost would be if 11 people go. So this time we're going to solve for y, which is the cost. We know the constant is $4,050, and we want to know what it would cost if 11 people go. To figure this out, we're going to divide 4,050 by 11. And if we do that, we end up with $368.18. How much money is saved between 9 people and 11 people? Well, we can figure that out by doing some subtraction. If 9 people went, then the cost was going to be $450 each. With 11 people, the cost is going to be $368.18. So if we subtract one from the other, we'll figure out the savings. The savings would be $81.82. This is our answer, and our work is complete.